Hey guys, welcome to EIKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, return on two products B and L for the past 4 years has been given. So return a portfolio B and portfolio L are given, and the return of 4 years respective continuous 4 years has been given 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the return would be 13 and 13.5, then 12.5 and 14. In case of portfolio L, it would be 14.35, 11.75, 13.6 and 12.9. The beta factor of the two portfolio would be 1.3 and 1.2 respectively. If the market portfolio fetches 12% return and RPI bonds which are considered risk-free yield of 5% return, which of the above two portfolios will an investor prefer? So going ahead with the solution, CAPM formula RF plus beta into RM minus RF. Therefore, for the return would be for B portfolio B limited, the return would be 5 plus 1.3 into 12 minus 5, which is 14.1, and in case of our portfolio L, it would be 5 plus 1.2 into 12 minus 5, which is 13.4. Now we have the portfolio return of B would be 13, and we need to compute the alpha factor. For the computation of the alpha factor, we need to have a table. So the table has been named. The first column would be year. So year starting from 1 to 4, the portfolio beta. Portfolio B contains a return of 13 and 13.5, 12.5 and 14. So the CRPM would be 14.1 for the everyday scenario. Therefore the alpha factor would be actual minus CAPM. So when we find the alpha factor, it would be, for first scenario it is 1.5, which is 13 minus 14.1, that is negative 1.1, and 13.5 minus 14.1, it would be negative 0.6, and then 12.5 minus 14.1, which is negative 1.6, and so on. There, when we take the total, it would be negative 3.4 divided by 4 years, which gives the alpha factor of negative 0.85. The same way portfolio L, it would be the return which is given in the question, which is 14.3, 11.75 and so on. CAPM return, as we have find out in above, which should be written over here, which is 13.4 for 4 years, and we need to find the alpha factor. So alpha factor is nothing but actual minus CAPM. So actual minus CAPM, which would be 14.35 minus 13.4 and 11.75 minus 13.4 and so on. When we take the total, it would be negative 1, and we have 4 years factor. So it is converted into per year basis. It would be negative 1 divided by 4, which is negative 0.25. Now expected return adjustment for alpha factor. So expected return adjustment would be expected return plus alpha factor, which is 14.1 plus negative 0.85 and 13.4 plus negative 25, which gives you 13.25 and 13.15. The alpha for security B is higher than L, indicating its better performance related to L. Hence, the investor should prefer portfolio B. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.